Hello. This video will show you how to complete your annual disclosure in the new eDisclosure system. Once you receive the email indicating that your disclosure is ready, click the link in the email to access the system. Log in with your Northwestern Net ID and password. You've arrived at the Welcome page, which provides basic information about Northwestern's expectations and policies relative to conflict of interest. The menu items on the left provide additional information regarding policies, definitions, and training resources for assistance in navigating the system. If you would like, you may refer to the policies by clicking on the link. To begin your disclosure, click the Disclose button. This page contains instructions for completing your disclosure and navigating through the system. You can navigate through the eDisclosure system by clicking the Continue or the Previous Page buttons. The Jump To menu can also be used to navigate between sections of the disclosure. You can save your disclosure at any point by clicking Save, and clicking Exit will take you out of the disclosure at any time and return you to the main page. You have now entered your actual disclosure. Please note that throughout the disclosure pages, help bubble icons can be clicked to provide guidance and helpful hints about the question being asked or system functionality. Additionally, clicking on any underlined term will provide a definition of that term. On this page, you are being asked to disclose via a yes or no response whether you have any relationships or interests with any external entities that conduct business with Northwestern. Read through the question and the applicable definitions if needed. If you are uncertain about what exactly is being asked, click the help bubble icon for guidance. If you do have a relationship or interest meeting the criteria for disclosure, select yes. If not, select no. As an example, let's say that in the last calendar year, I received a gift from 3M, an entity that I know is a vendor of Northwestern. I will select Yes, which reveals an Add Disclosure button. Clicking this button takes you to a screen that will ask you to select the name of the entity you have a relationship with. In this example, the entity name is 3M. If the company cannot be found in the drop-down menu list, you can type it in the box below. The next screens will ask for more information about my relationship with 3M. In my case, I received $250 worth of office supplies from 3M, so I will say that I received a gift. A red asterisk by any response field indicates that the field is required. If there is no red asterisk next to the response field, you are free to enter more information you feel is relevant and or may be helpful to the individual reviewing your disclosure, however it is not required. If you do not enter required responses upon a yes answer to a question, you will receive an error message. In this case, it says, "This is a required field. Therefore, you must provide the required information." To remedy this, answer the question. For each instance of the gift provided or received, please click the Add button below. In this case, I received a gift. It was a gift item, and it was worth approximately $250. The gift was office supplies. If you received more than one gift from this vendor, select OK, add another. If not, select OK, and then select Continue. This screen provides a summary of your relationship with 3M. If everything is accurate, click Return to Relationships page, which will bring you back here. That is the only company that I have a relationship with, so I will click Continue. If you have relationships with other companies, however, select Add disclosure, again, for each company. This next page asks a series of yes/no questions about any other activities you may have had in the last year. If you select yes to any question, it will ask for more information. Once you've answered all the questions, click Continue. On the summary page, you can view or print your disclosure to review and verify that everything is correct. If you do need to make an edit to something disclosed, or add something you forgot to disclose, navigate back to the question using the Previous Page buttons or the Jump To menu. Once your disclosure is complete and you are ready to submit, click the Submit My Disclosure button. Certify that your disclosure is accurate and complete to the best of your knowledge and select OK. This is your confirmation screen. You can see that your disclosure has been successfully submitted and that your disclosure status is now under review. That's it. You're done. No further action is needed on your part unless you receive additional notification requesting clarification. Thank you for taking the time to complete your annual disclosure. If you have any questions, please contact the Conflict of Interest Office either by phone at 847-467-4515 or by email at nucoi@northwestern.edu.